Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video to give you a quick heads up that if you are using the Microsoft Outlook Lite app on your mobile device, that Microsoft has now announced that it's going to be retiring the Outlook Lite app for mobile devices. Now, just a quick recap. Outlook Lite was originally launched back in 2022 and was designed as a lightweight version of Outlook for mobile devices. And it mainly targeted older hardware or regions where performance and battery consumption were major concerns. And although it offered faster startup and was less resource hungry and intensive, it did lack certain features available in the full Outlook app. As an example, you could not connect Gmail accounts, you couldn't use cloud storage services like Dropbox or integrate with Microsoft Exchange Server. Now, the app was only officially available in select regions, and Microsoft has now announced that starting October the 6th this year, 2025, so quite a lot going on in October this year when it comes to deprecated features. So on October the 6th, 2025, Microsoft will block new installations. Now, if you are a user of the app, Microsoft said you can continue using the app temporarily, but hasn't provided a clear actual date when the app will be deprecated fully and retired fully. All Microsoft gives us from the announcement is full retirement is expected within a few months. And Microsoft recommends that you transition to the Outlook for mobile app to obviously carry on using the email client on mobile. And the whole reason why Microsoft says it is retiring the app, and I'm quoting, so it can focus its investments on the Outlook mobile app, which it says is its flagship Android experience, which provides better functionality and user experience, according to Microsoft. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.